Learn Telugu 11 to 20 numbers in 60 seconds. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.